Hey, welcome back, party people. Name of the game today is we're gonna keep working on breaking down and just, getting this all taken apart, the new race car here. I think the plan of attack for today is gonna be, can we get this engine out, possibly a little bit more of the drivetrain. If that goes really well, maybe we'll keep going. But I think first things first is gonna be, let's go ahead and continue disconnecting stuff, but let's get this engine out, get that safely put away so we can tear into that a little bit later, but just again, continuing our breakdown of the overall project here. Right on, so first things first, I think we get this fuel tank out of the way. That'll give us some more space to work around here. I've got that zipped off. Let's get something to catch the gas that's gonna drop out of there. Word up. All right, fuel tank is out, and what I'm gonna do next, there's some wiring coming off here for our various kill switches, and it looks like it's just kind of been, pieced together bit by bit. So I'm gonna ditch all that, end up rewiring this anyway. So I'll ditch that, then work on getting our throttle cable disconnected. We've got this mustard can vent for, I guess that's crankcase pressure. So we'll get that disconnected. And then I think we'll be ready to start moving this engine, sliding it back to get the chain a little bit looser. So we'll get that going as well. So this is cool. This is the plate that basically mounts the engine, and it looks like it slides. It's got like, there's like a three-piece thing, right? So engine one piece, and then there's these two where this thing slides back and forth. Looks like it's tightened down by those two nut and bolt right there, but that's cool. Got one guy going into this, let's call it the frame from now on. And then this motor plate kind of slides back and forth. That actually seems pretty easy. I wish I would have known about that before taking the chain off, but yeah, it looks like two bolts let you slide the engine back and forth, tighten the drivetrain. Cool. So I'm going to leave that as is and just take this off as a unit, but that was pretty not bad. Okay, well, it took a couple days, but we finally have this thing down to bare frame. I got the engine out today, we got the rear suspension out, we got the front suspension out, And yeah, we're down to bare frame now. This is a big milestone because it means we can start sanding this down and then getting this part just cleaned up into paint in a proper color, because I'm tired of looking at red. There's a couple welds along with some of these clips that I want to repair, but ultimately just clean everything up, maybe hammer some of the damage that's been done. But otherwise, I think we're looking pretty good. We'll get Junior back out here to help me sand this down. Maybe we'll let him loose with a paint gun, who knows. But thanks so much for watching. This has been a really fun project so far, and I'm just looking forward to building this back up, getting out there. We've got all winter basically to put this together. But then we'll get started with rookie school. We'll take you guys along with that journey of, just him learning everything. We've got our practice carts for the backyard. We'll do some more of that. But just looking forward to this journey. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.